Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap North Little Rock local and long-distance movers near me. If you have to move in or out of Little Rock, it's time to talk to a reputable moving company. 3 Movers are experienced local and long-distance movers with excellent customer handling skills. With our knowledgeable and helpful staff, you can complete your moves seamlessly and cost-effectively. We have movers, drivers, specialists together with top-range machines to haul your stuff. For comprehensive, thought-out strategies and plans to carry out long-distance moves, talk to 3 Movers. We provide long-distance solutions customized to accommodate your various needs. We have the necessary experience and know-how to ferry stuff out of the country. Our staff is well-trained in logistics and we have specialists to guide on complex regulations. We are approved to handle any moves worldwide. Whether you are moving around the state or out of the country, we have the solutions at heart. Our team of local movers is ready with localized working solutions to suit your current situation. 3 Movers provide all services involved in moving stuff, including packing, special packaging, crating, loading, and unloading. We understand that you need time for other commitments, and we will not let the matter of moving trouble you. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.